What's up, YouTube? CCOM1001 back at it. Here with a great pickup. As you can see, it's a Lebron 10 box. Let's just jump right into it. We have the Sport Gray, whatever gray that is. I could not figure out what it was. An electric yellow. I haven't seen a lot of videos on these, so just thought I'd get mine in, doing my unboxing video. It's been a while since I've had a pickup. Let me just put this down. Alright, as you can see, it's that it's that electric yellow with those little X's on it. There they are. Lebron 10 Canaries, for those of you who don't know. Man, I'm pretty psyched that these came in, This is these are easily, out of all the Lebrons that I've ever had, these are easily the best quality, and just, what more can you say about them? So let's just get into the review. You got that Sport Gray all over the shoe. Pretty sure, yeah, this is the Sport Gray. And man, these are some nice, these got nice quality. This is just really, you got that electric yellow flywire coming through the lace loops. And you got that, whatever gray that is, that Sturt Gray on the swoosh, outlined in that electric yellow. Front, you got that gray tongue with gray laces with that Sport Gray speckle. You can see the electric yellow flywire. On the other side, same deal. You can see that canary right there. More of that, canary looking yellow flywire. The tongue. The tongue. Lebron with that Sport Gray King LJ, and then you got that electric yellow crown. Got his signature in that same yellow. I don't know if you'll see the inside. There you go. There you go. It's more of that same electric yellow on the insole. You got that electric yellow bottom with that gray. Clear air bubble. Electric yellow air unit with that STRT gray for the Air Max pillars, and then on the TPU with that electric yellow speckle. So these are it. Comment, tell me what you guys think. Subscribe. If you want to see more videos. Hopefully I'll have some more shoes coming in soon. I don't know. Shout out to everyone who comments and likes my videos. Greatly appreciated. Hydro718I, I noticed that he, gives me some positive feedback, and that's always appreciated. So, thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you next time.